To ensure you don't miss out on important calls from your friends, your dear ones, or the people who matter to you, iOS allows you to enable emergency bypass for specific contacts. When this feature is enabled, your iPhone allows sounds and vibrations from the selected contacts even when the ring switch is set to silent or when you have the focus mode enabled. That said, let's learn how to enable emergency bypass for specific contacts on your iPhone or iPad. So first up, you have to launch the Contacts app on your device. After that, you have to open the contact in question. And then you have to tap on the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the ringtone option. And then you have to turn on the toggle right next to Emergency Bypass. And finally you have to tap on the Done option at the top right corner of the screen and you are good to go. From now onwards, sounds and vibrations from this contact will be allowed even when you have activated the mute switch or have the focus mode enabled on your iPhone. Hence, you won't miss out on the urgent calls from your dear ones. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.